How to change the mob spawn rate in Minecraft. This process is gonna be easy and very basic thing to do. Now, for you to be able to access those features or options, you have to be in the game. Once you're currently on any game from Minecraft, all you have to do is just by adjusting the difficulty level, which means if you're on a peaceful mode, then there will be no mobs that's gonna be spawning on your game. But if you'd like a massive amount of mobs that's going to be there, then you'll have to adjust the difficulty to the hard or the very maximum level. So again, all you have to do is to change the difficulty level, whether it's going to be through a peaceful mode, easy, normal, and if you want a higher chance of spawn rate, then you have to change the difficulty level to hard mode. And that's it. That's how you change or adjust the minimum mob spawn rate on Minecraft.